now we're gonna learn a glute bridge. So your first variation of your glute bridge, you're gonna walk your feet in, your heels are gonna be down onto the ground. You're gonna lie yourself flat, you look up to the sky. What I want you to do before you lift your bum is you're gonna squeeze it. Because what we have a tendency to do in this is that we use our hamstrings too much, but it's really an exercise for our butt. So I want you to squeeze your bum, extend up so you have a straight line, hold it there for a second or two, and then bring it back down. Squeeze your bum, extend up, hold it there for a second or two, and then bring it back down. Make sure those knees stay stable. As you come up, you don't want your knees coming in, so drive the knees out like you would in a squat, up, and then bring it back down. Once this comes too easy, we're gonna go to a single leg. So we can pick one leg up off the ground, we can cross it over this one, we can hold it up in here, whatever is gonna be comfortable for you. Dig into that hole, dig into the heels into the ground, squeeze your one butt cheek up, so you're creating a nice straight line, and then bring it back down. Squeeze your bum, up, nice straight line, bring it back down. Again, if that gets too easy, moving your arms from down here to up here is going to make a difference as well. Squeeze your bum up and back down, or you can put them up over your head. So squeeze your butt, come up, a lot more unstable, and then bring it back down. So that's a variation of your hinge that you learn to do with your dowel.